guys, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Johan, which always brings videos for all of you, and those videos are just about business. Yes, clothes business. That's why if you want to start your own business and you are finding a place where you can get everything in just one roof, so Ajmera Fashion is best place for all of you. So what I am going to show you today? Today I am going to show you the collection of kurti and palazzo or pant set. So please keep watching this video if you want all of these things in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. So let's go and see the first sample. And here is our first sample, which is on a chanderi cotton fabric. Straight kurti you are getting here on chanderi cotton fabric. You can see very decent and elegant piece this is, and same way as I told you, coming with the cotton pant, churidar pant you are getting here. So very attractive set this is, and same way this is going to be the dupatta. 3-piece set you are getting here, and we have all kind of sizes: small, medium, large, XL, double XL, all sizes we have here. That's why if you want to do business, so you will get every sizes, every kind of color chart and catalogs here. This was very pretty piece. Let's move forward and see some decent work, decent variety with a decent color. So this is going to be the decent color. You can see very beautiful combination you are getting here. 2-piece set, which is kurti and pant, and color combination you can see here. So very brilliant color combination this is, coming with the very minor khatli work on a rayon fabric. Yes, 14 kg rayon you are getting here, which is a great quality in a rayon, which is a rayon quality. So this was very pretty piece. Now you might have a question that, ma'am, what is the price range? So I will never mention the exact price on any social media platform, including videos. Reason why I am not disclosing price. Reason why I am not disclosing price: if I will disclose the price, that will be a problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why I will never mention the price in any social media platform or video. You can add margin according to you. Let's move forward and see very attractive sharara pattern, which is this red and white color combination, which is evergreen, and customer loves to wear this kind of varieties on all kind of occasions. Same way, coming on a Nazmin dupatta, coming on a lycra dupatta. This is stretchable lycra you are getting here for a one side look. So this is also very attractive and pretty piece. We have all fabrics: khadi, cotton, rayon, all kind of fabrics we have. Like just an example, you can see this side. Here we have lots of varieties. You can see here lots of varieties, pattern, color chart, and this whole counter, like we have literally lots of collection in the kurti. This is one counter of kurti section. So we have starting range in kurti that is just 55 rupees. Yes friends, you heard it right. We have starting range in kurti that is just 55 rupees. That's why if you want to do business and want everything in a lowest range, that might be sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, ladies in the garment, whatever it be. But if you want to keep all kind of cloth material at your place, at your home, so you can join Ajmera Fashion. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, which is going this very pretty color. Look at the color of kurti. Isn't this attractive, guys? Very pretty piece. And same way, so color combination is really attractive, and work, if I talk about the work, so you will get polka dots with the heavy printing. Here you can see in the palazzo there is a heavy printing with the polka dots. So this is also very pretty. Same way, coming with the stretchable pant, stretchable palazzo. We have all sizes: small, medium, large, XL, double XL, all kind of sizes we have here. So you can order online according to you or according to your customer, but if I suggest, you should keep all kind of varieties, just like some sari, some kurti, some lehenga, some dress material. So whatever customer is coming at your place, so they won't go without any purchasing, because any customer is coming at your place, they are giving you margin. So keep one thing in your mind, that no one should go without purchasing from your shop or from your home. So yes, I said home, because from joining Ajmera Fashion, you can start your business from home itself. If you are a housewife, if you are a teenager, if you want to start your business from home itself, you can do it. So let's move forward and see the next pattern, which is going to be, which is in a rayon fabric. You can see the rayon fabric and palazzo with the contrast color. This is going to be the palazzo and kurti set. Isn't this very pretty and attractive, which is on a rayon fabric with a heavy foiling. 100% washable pieces are there. Yes friends, 100% washable, machine washed, dry clean. You can do on it. No color will fade away, and shrinkage guarantee you are getting here. Yes, no shrinkage will be there, no color fading will be there. So I hope you are getting, liking all kind of varieties. Actually these are just samples, because in just one video it's not possible to show us everything in just one video. That's why if you want to see more collection or else you have any inquiry, direct contact us. Let's move forward and look at the piece. Isn't this pretty guys, coming with the sequins and khatli work. Same way again one more kurti and plazo set, kurti and very attractive kurti, very elegant kurti you are getting here, because you can see very dusty color look it has. A customer likes to wear light colors, dark colors, dusty colors, rainbow colors, depend on the customer. You should keep everything at your place, so no one will be go without any purchasing. As I told you, they will give you margin. So let's move forward and see some more collection. One more kurti with a rayon and tone to tone color pant. This is also pant, kurti with pant collection. Wow, it is also very pretty, and color combination is a tone to tone color you are getting here. Same way on a muslin fabric, muslin plus two-tone, very light and weight fabric you are getting here, and coming with a contrast color bottom. So this was our collection of kurti and bottom, kurti and pant collection. We have lots of varieties, but it's not possible to show everything in just one video. That's why if you want to keep all of these things, want to see more collection, or else you want to order online, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen, just go there, call there or message there. So friends, this was our video about kurti and pant. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.